Answer: herbivores population explodes. Question 2. If bees disappear from Earth, what will be the biggest impact? No honey only. Crop production collapses. More flowers grow. Oxygen increases. Answer: crop production collapses. Question 3. If vultures disappear completely, what will happen? Increase in wild dogs and diseases. Forests become cleaner. Soil becomes richer. Nothing changes. Answer: increase in wild dogs and diseases. Question 4. If frogs disappear from an ecosystem, what is the most likely result? More rainfall. Plants stop growing. Mosquito population explodes. Rivers dry up. Answer: mosquito population explodes. Question 5. If elephants disappear from forests, what will happen long term? More trees grow evenly. Grasslands vanish instantly. Oxygen level drops suddenly. Forests lose biodiversity. Answer: forests lose biodiversity. Question 6. If bats disappear, what will happen first? Oxygen level drops. Mosquito-borne diseases increase. Forests vanish. Rain stops. Answer: mosquito-borne diseases increase. Question 7. If wolves disappear, what will happen? Overgrazing destroys forests. Grass grows faster. Soil becomes richer. Nothing changes. Answer: overgrazing destroys forests. Question 8. If sharks disappear from oceans, what is the result? More fish survive. Water becomes cleaner. Ocean food chain collapses. Coral grows faster. Answer: ocean food chain collapses. Question 9. If earthworms disappear, what happens first? More insects grow. Rainfall reduces. Plants grow faster. Soil fertility drops. Answer: soil fertility drops. Question 10. If owls disappear, what will increase rapidly? Rats and mice population. Tree growth. Rainfall. Pollination. Answer: rats and mice population. Question 11. If coral reefs disappear, what is the biggest loss? Oxygen stops. Sea level drops. Fish habitat collapse. Salt disappears. Answer: fish habitat. Question 1. Which of the following is a major environmental issue related to the Aravalli Hills today? Glacier melting. Illegal mining. Volcanic eruptions. Tsunamis. Answer: illegal mining. Question 2. In which direction does the Aravalli Range mainly extend? East to west. North to south. Northeast to southwest. Southeast to northwest. Answer, northeast to southwest. Question 3. The highest peak of the Aravalli range is Guru Shikhar, Mount Abu, Mount Kailash, Dodh Betta. Answer, Guru Shikhar. Question 4. Which river originates from the Aravalli range? Luni, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. Answer, Luni. Question 5. On an outline map of India, the Aravalli range forms a natural boundary between which two regions? Indo-Gangetic Plain and Thar Desert, Deccan Plateau and Coastal Plains, Chota Nagpur Plateau and Ganga Basin, Malwa Plateau and Satpura Range. Answer, Indo-Gangetic Plain and Thar Desert. Question 6. The Aravalli range is mainly composed of which type of rocks? Sedimentary rocks, igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, volcanic ash. Answer, metamorphic rocks. Question 7. Dhurandhar is primarily reported to belong to which genre? Romantic drama, action thriller, comedy, historical biography. Answer, action thriller. Question 8. Which actor is widely reported to be playing the lead role in Dhurandhar? Ranveer Singh, Vicky Kaushal, Hrithik Roshan, Shahid Kapoor. Answer, Ranveer Singh. Question 9. Dhurandhar is directed by which filmmaker, known earlier for Uri, The Surgical Strike? Rohit Shetty, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Aditya Dhar, Kabir Khan. Answer, Aditya Dhar. Question 10. What major challenge did the crew face during outdoor shooting of Dhurandhar? Heavy snowfall, crowd control and security, wildlife interference, technical sound failure only. Answer, crowd control and security. Question 11. Which major challenge is commonly faced during desert shooting like in Dhurandhar? High humidity, extreme heat and sandstorms, heavy rainfall, low oxygen levels. Answer, extreme heat and sandstorms. Question 12. Recent reports of fires and unrest were associated with which country? India, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka.
Welcome to TYGK Quiz. Today's challenge is quiz with games. Time 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Let's start. Lucky number. Choose a number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Smile 2. Lucky day 3. Great success. 4. Surprise gift. Guess the country. Sri Lanka. Mount Fuji is located in which country? Answer, Japan. Which one is bigger, Earth or Jupiter? Answer, Jupiter. Choose the box A, B, C. Which box hides the diamond? Answer. Box B. Tongue twister. Say 5 times fast. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Quick maths. 45 plus 27 equals. Answer. 72. Complete the box. Apple, banana. Answer. Cherry. True or false? The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Answer. True. Match the currency. Answer. India, Japan, USA, rupee, yen, dollar. Which would you choose? Box 1, box 2, box 3. Luxury island vacation, space trip, castle, stay. Arrange in order 1537. Answer. 1 to 3 to 5 to 7. Guess the country. Pyramid, desert, Africa. Answer. Egypt. Complete the sequence. Answer. Forest, natural wonder, tallest waterfall in the world. Answer. Angel Falls. Complete the flag. India, saffron, white, green and blank. Answer. Ashoka Chakra. True or false? The kangaroo is the national animal of New Zealand. Answer. False. Odd one. Out, lion, tiger, elephant, leopard. Answer. Elephant. Guess the name 3 girl names related to rain. Answer. Barsha, Megha, Barka. Arranged from smallest to largest. Australia, Asia, Europe, Africa. Answer. Australia to Europe to Africa to Asia. Which airport? DEL is the airport code for which Indian city? Answer. Delhi. Guess the airline. Which airline is known as the national carrier of Singapore? Answer. Singapore Airlines. You had one wish. What would you choose? Unlimited money, world tour, super intelligence. Memory challenge. Remember these for 5 seconds. Which item was in the middle? Answer. Cart. Find the different emoji. Answer. Spot the mistake. Elephant, 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 elephant. Answer. Guess the sound. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Which animal makes this sound? Answer: rooster. This or that. Which would you choose? Mountains, holiday, beach holiday, desert safari. Find the pair. Sun today, moon to blank. Answer: night. Finish the proverb. Actions speak louder than blank. Answer: words. Try it with your family. Speak fast 5 times. Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment.
How many days is Navratri celebrated? A. 5. B. 7. C. 9. D. 10. Answer: 9. Navratri is mainly dedicated to which goddess? A. Saraswati. B. Lakshmi. C. Kali. D. Durga. Answer: Durga. Which Indian state is famous for Garba during Navratri? A. Gujarat. B. Punjab. C. Kerala. D. Odisha. Answer: Gujarat. What does the word Navratri mean? A. 10 days. B. 9 nights. C. Festival of Lamps. D. 7 stars. Answer: 9 nights. On the 10th day after Navratri, which festival is celebrated? A. Diwali. B. Dashehra. C. Holi. D. Raksha Bandhan. Answer: Dashehra. Name the dance performed in Gujarat during Navratri with sticks. A. Bhagra. B. Kathak. C. Dandiya Ras. D. Lavani. Answer: Dandiya Ras. Which goddess is worshipped on the first day of Navratri? A. Shalputri. B. Kushmanda. C. Kalratri. D. Siddhidatri. Answer: Shalputri. Which flower is most commonly offered to goddess Durga in Navratri? A. Lotus. B. Marigold. C. Rose. D. Jasmine. Answer: Marigold. Which demon did goddess Durga kill on Navratri? A. Ravana. B. Mahishasur. C. Kans. D. Hiranyakashipu. Answer: Mahishasur. The 9 different forms of goddess Durga worshipped in Navratri are called: A. Navratnas. B. Navdurgas. C. Navjots. D. Navjyotirs. Answer: Navdurgas. Which city is the famous Mysore Dasra procession held after Navratri? A. Mysore. B. Bengaluru. C. Chennai. D. Hyderabad. Answer: Mysore. Goddess Kushmanda is believed to reside in A. The moon. B. The earth. C. The sun. D. The Himalayas. Answer: the sun. Which festival is considered the harvest festival during Navratri in Tamil Nadu? A. Pongal. B. Golu. C. Vishu. D. Onam. Answer: Golu. Which color is considered most popular to wear during Navratri Garba? A. White. B. Black. C. Red. D. Green. Answer: red. Dhokla is a popular dish of which Indian state? A. Rajasthan. B. Punjab. C. Gujarat. D. Assam. Answer: Gujarat. Makki di roti and sarson da saag is a traditional dish of which state? A. Haryana. B. Punjab. C. Himachal Pradesh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer: Punjab. Which state is famous for pakla bhata? A. Odisha. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. West Bengal. Answer: Odisha. Bamboo shoot curry is widely eaten in which northeastern state? A. Nagaland. B. Mizoram. C. Manipur. D. Meghalaya. Answer: Nagaland. Hyderabadi biryani is the pride of which state? A. Maharashtra. B. Telangana. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Delhi. Answer: Telangana. Litti chokha is a traditional dish of which state? A. Bihar. B. Jharkhand. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Uttar Pradesh. Answer: Bihar. Fish curry and rice is the staple food of which coastal state? A. Kerala. B. Goa. C. West Bengal. D. Odisha. Answer: Goa. Idli and sambar are famous dishes of which South Indian state? A. Karnataka. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Kerala. Answer: Tamil Nadu. Masala dosa is traditionally associated with which South Indian state? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Andhra Pradesh. Answer: Karnataka. Dal bati churma is a famous food from which state? A. Gujarat. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Uttarakhand. D. Rajasthan. Answer: Rajasthan. Prawn malai curry is famous in which state? A. Odisha. B. West Bengal. C. Kerala. D. Goa. Answer: West Bengal. Rogan Josh is a world-famous dish of which state UT? A. Punjab. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Jammu and Kashmir. D. Uttarakhand. Answer: Jammu and Kashmir. Siddu is a steamed bread dish eaten in which Himalayan state? A. Sikkim. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Arunachal Pradesh. D. Uttarakhand. Answer: Himachal Pradesh. Thukpa noodle soup is a staple food of which state? A. Sikkim. B. Arunachal Pradesh. C. Nagaland. D. Manipur. Answer: Sikkim. Chole Bhature is a famous dish of which state or UT? A. Chandigarh. B. Ladakh. C. Puducherry. D. Delhi. Answer: Delhi.
If you like this video, kindly like, subscribe, share and comment.
Welcome to TYGK quiz. Get ready for July challenging video emoji quiz. Which zodiac sign begins in July? Answer: Leo. Complete the sentence. July 11th is celebrated as blank. Answer: World Population Day. Guess the flower. It blooms beautifully during the rainy season and grows in water. Answer: Lotus. Name the event. Name the world's oldest Grand Slam tennis tournament is traditionally played in July. Answer: Wimbledon. Complete the sequence. May to July to September to blank. Answer: November. Remove letter O and make new word. Boat coat, more. Bad cat man. Fastest finger first. Arrange from smallest to largest. 28, 31, 30, 29. Answer: 28, 29, 30, 31. True or false? July always has 30 days. Answer: false. Complete the sequence. Monday to Wednesday to Friday. Sunday. Guess the country clues. Kangaroos, koalas. Winter season in July. Answer: Australia. Guess by clue. A famous day celebrated on 28th July to spread awareness about liver disease. Answer: World Hepatitis Day. Complete the sentence. The birthstone of July is. Answer: Ruby. We make 4 words from the word butterfly. Answers: butterfly tube rule. Guess by clue. I am the birth flower of July and symbolize happiness. Answer: larkspur. Guess by clue, celebrated on July 14th in France. Answer: Bastille Day. True or false? July is one of the 7 months that have 31 days. Answer. True guess by clue. A full moon festival that honors teachers and gurus. Answer. Guru Purnima. Guess the tourist place. Crystal clear lagoons and overwater villas make this island nation a dream July destination. Answer. Maldives. This or that. Which fruit is more common in July? Mango, apple. Answer. Mango. Fill in the blank. July is named after the famous Roman general. Answer. Julius Caesar. Guess the day celebrated on 26 July to honor the heroes of the Kargil War. Answer. Kargil Vijay Diwas. Complete the sentence. International Tiger Day is celebrated on dash July. Answer. 29th July. Guess the day remembered every year on 20th July for the first human landing on the moon. Answer. Moon Day. Guess the festival. A famous Hindu festival where Lord Jagannath's chariot is pulled by devotees. Answer. Rath Yatra. Guess the country. This North American country is famous for Banff National Park and Jasper in July. Answer. Canada. One word. Answer. Which festival is famous for swings and green bangles? Answer. Hariyali Teej. Find the mistake. International Tiger Day is celebrated on 31st July. Answer. It is celebrated on 29th July. Can you name an insect that becomes very common during July? Answer. Mosquito. Name the place. Rath Yatra is most famously celebrated in blank, Odisha. Answer. Puri. Match the day with the date. 29th, July 20th, July 11th, July 26th, July. A. World Population Day. B. Moon Day. C. Kargil Vijay Diwas. D. International Tiger Day. Like, subscribe, share and comment. Welcome to TYGK Quiz. Today's challenge is quiz with games. Time 5 seconds and 10 seconds. Let's start. Lucky number. Choose a number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Smile. Lucky day 3. Great success. 4 surprise gift. Guess the country. Sri Lanka. Mount Fuji is located in which country? Answer. Japan. Which one is bigger, Earth or Jupiter? answer. Jupiter. Choose the box A, B, C. Which box hides the diamond? Answer. Box B. Tongue twister. Say 5 times fast. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Quick maths. 45 plus 27 equals. Answer. 72. Complete the box. Apple, banana.